Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at mixing milk with tea. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. We often get asked if it's okay to add milk to our teas. Of course, we always recommend enjoying our teas plain first. Each of our premium harvests is crafted to produce a naturally enjoyable flavor on its own, without the need to add anything else. In fact, the practice of adding milk to tea was originally a way to make low-quality teas less astringent. Low-grade teas usually have more tannins than premium teas. In moderation, tannins are an important part of a tea's flavor, providing more complexity and a longer finish. But too many tannins can be unpleasant, creating an astringent sandpaper-like feeling in your mouth. Red wine also contains tannins, and some varieties can be very astringent on their own. This is why red wine is often paired with fatty foods like meat and cheese. The fat binds to the tannins and prevents them from building up on your palate. In the same way, milk binds to tannins in tea, reducing astringency and creating a smoother texture. Since low-grade teas lack complex flavor, adding milk just makes them taste like milk. But with premium tea, milk can actually highlight other aromas and flavors. With Formosa oolongs, milk emphasizes the floral top notes of the tea. With Uyi oolongs, milk can bring out more caramelized toffee flavor. And with black tea, milk brings out the notes of dried fruit. Of course, by adding milk and eliminating the tannins, you will lose some of the tea's complexity and finish. But it's a fun way to experiment with new flavors, and if you're just in the mood for a treat. We love making tea lattes, and you can even experiment with other forms of milk like nut milk or ice cream to make tea affogatos. To learn more about our range of premium teas and our brewing suggestions, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.